marshes. I lie there for hours in the chilly cold marshes. If the ladies were squirrel with a bushy tail, I'd fill up my shotgun with rock, salt, and nail. Thank you. Thank you.